Today I'm going to show you how we can use custom SKYs in your Isogen projects. Just as an example, I'm starting with the saddle rod plate support. Place it somewhere on the pie, and there's a location. If I try to generate isometric out, I create an isometric drawing. Then I look at the output. It shows the pipe support as a guide and defines the location for the pipe support. If I would like to use my own shape instead of this standard one, if I would like to use my own shape, then we need to customize the Isogen symbols and create a new SKY for using it in my model. So in order to do that, we use under CADWOrx 2014 plant Isogen. Under iConfigure, there is a utility called symbol editor. Using the symbol editor, I create a new symbol editor. Using symbol editor, I create a new. I can create my own symbols. In this case, the symbol I want to create is under the category of support. So click on support, and I can choose the one which is already available. Let's say I choose this SKID and click on create a new symbol. This will ask me to assign a new SKY for my new symbol. We call it as IGSU and assign a name for this as support image graphics. Then I say copy this original graphic so that the existing graphics gets copied for my new use. Now I can modify this symbol as I need. Let me do some changes to this. Let me add some new lines. And add some extra lines. Then let me add some and once I have completed the drawing, I can find the starting point and ending point by using the tool called endpoint 1 and point 2 tap points. We have options to add these tapping points. Having done this, I can export this symbol. It gets exported into an Isogen ASCII symbol file. I'll be saving it under my project folder. ISO2 project 1 final basic. I save it under the name as igusershapes.asc. Having done this, the file is now saved. My next job is to assign this symbol key in my project file so that CADWOrx can start using it. Now having completed, I go to my iConfigure tool where I select the project, select the style. Under the style, I click on detail where we have tool settings called supplementary settings. Under supplementary settings, we have something called data files. Under the data files, typically you will have only one row which says font information file. I need to add a new row. Say add a row, then double click, select the ASCII symbols. The file which we are selecting is the ASCII symbols file. Then I click on the file path, click on the three dots, select the ASC file which you have created, say OK. Then save this setting and just export it for your use to be used in CADWOrx. Now I go back to CADWOrx, pipe support, double click, select Isogen, and I choose the SKY which I created, IGSU, and then image graphics support. as it is a round one. I save this, and if we run Isogen out, it generates a new isometric file. You will be able to see that it is my new support is being shown. The new symbol which I have created is shown. So it's a simple process. First create using symbol key, and then specify the location in iConfigure. Then you will be allowed to use the test key on your inside your CADWOrx model. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy.